If I substitute e की power 2x, क्या करके I'll substitute e की power 2x will become u square, e की power x will become u. I need to substitute this dx and these limits too. Limits जरा डालो e की power ln 5, ये हमें पहले ही पता है क्या होगी, 5 होगा, बिकॉज एक फंक्शन को इन्वर्स किया फिर आपने वही फंक्शन लगा दिया. सो u की लिमिट्स आर 5 and 3. What about the derivative? du by dx will be what? E to the power x. Why e to the power x? So dx will be 1 over ex du. Is that right? सही है. अब now understand this. Students who were claiming के proper है improper है, इसलिए मैंने कहा था करोगे तो पता चलेगा. So dx की जगह what can I write in place of dx? 1 over e की power x की जगह can I write u? Yes. So 1 over u du. Limits, upper limit is 5 and lower limit is. Now have I substituted the variable? Have I substituted the dx part? Have I substituted the limits? Yes. Simplify it. अब check करो is it a proper fraction or not? ये u और u मेरे पास एक cancel हो गया and I am left with 2u. Now is it a proper fraction? Can I directly make partial fractions for this one? Please do so. इसको अलग से पहले partial fractions बना लो and then I will integrate it. How do you factorize the denominator? Factorize the denominator. U square minus 2u minus u plus 2. U minus 2 and u minus 1. Now this will be equivalent to, one denominator will be u minus 2, the numerator as a constant that I do not know. Another one will be b and u minus 1. Now can you solve it for the values of a and b? To figure out the partial fractions, बताओ क्या आ रहा है? Solve it for the values of a and b. 2u a into u minus 1 plus b into u minus 2. What are the values of a and b that you end up with?
minus 2 equals to b.
पहले मैं u की वैल्यू if I plug in 2 तो 4 हो गया मेरे पास. a is 4. Now if I plug in u as 1
minus 2.
तो b is नहीं 1 minus 1 divided by minus 1 आ रहा है. चेक करो b minus 1 आ रहा है minus 2 b is negative 2. So the partial fractions I end up with is 4 over u minus 2 minus 2 over u minus 1. Remember, we have not integrated till this point. Now this entire thing needs to be integrated. Upper limit is 5, lower limit is 3. And remember, because they are adding and subtracting, I can integrate them separately. Yes, so what do I end up with? What is the integral of 4 upon u minus 2? 4 को कॉमन ले लिया तो 4 ln u minus 2. And then for this one, minus 2 ln u minus 1. Upper limit is 5, lower limit is 3. And let's see, the question wants us ln a. The question wants the answer as a single log, ln a. But it's better if we make the exceptions right now. Ln u minus 2 to the power 4 upon, I am writing it as a single log, u minus 1 squared. Because I eventually need to write the answer as a single log, so I have written it as a single log from the very beginning. Now plug in the values of 5 and 3. When you plug in 5, what do you get? 5 minus 2, 3, 3 की power 4. Simplify क्या आ रहा है when you plug in 5? ln of 5 minus 2, 3, 81 upon 3 minus 1, 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4. Minus ln when you plug in 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 1 or 1 upon negative 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 minus 1 was 4. This will be 16. And 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 plus square is 4. Is this right? Now the two logs are subtracting. I can write their inputs as divisions divided by 1 over 4. ऐसा ही है, check कर लो. 5 डाला. I'm doing it roughly. I want everyone to calculate it on your own. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 to the power 4 is 81. Simplify करके क्या आ रहा है? ln of 81 over single log में. This is your answer. Is this clear? Heading डालो.